The Arctic tern, Sterna paradisea, is a remarkable bird, renowned for its extraordinary migratory journey and striking physical features. This small seabird, weighing only about 100 grams and measuring around 30 to 40 centimeters in length, has evolved to thrive in some of the world's harshest environments. Found in both Arctic and Antarctic regions, the Arctic tern experiences more daylight than any other creature on the planet, thanks to its incredible ability to travel from pole to pole. The Arctic tern has a sleek, aerodynamic body designed for long flights. Its plumage is primarily white, with a contrasting black cap on its head, giving it a distinctive look. The bird's wings are long and slender, perfect for gliding over vast distances, while its forked tail adds to its agility in the air. During the breeding season, the Arctic tern's beak turns a vivid red, complementing its equally bright red legs. Outside of the breeding season, these colors become darker, almost black, making them less conspicuous. Arctic terns breed in the Arctic during the summer months and then travel to the Antarctic for the southern summer. This means that they experience 2 summers each year, living in nearly constant daylight. The endurance and navigation skills required for such a feat are astounding. Scientists have discovered that Arctic terns use a combination of the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun, and other environmental cues to guide their travels. The Arctic tern's diet primarily consists of small fish and invertebrates, such as krill, shrimp, and crustaceans. These birds are expert hunters, diving into the water from great heights to catch their prey. With sharp eyesight and impressive agility, they can easily spot and capture fish just beneath the water's surface. During the breeding season, Arctic terns gather in colonies in the Arctic, where they form lifelong monogamous pairs. Their nests are simple scrapes on the ground, often in open tundra or coastal regions. Both parents share responsibilities for incubating the eggs, which typically hatch after about 3 weeks. Arctic terns are highly protective of their nests, often swooping down to drive away potential predators, including humans. This protective behavior is vital for the survival of their young, as their nesting sites can be vulnerable to foxes, skuas, and other predators. Although Arctic terns are not currently endangered, their populations face challenges due to climate change and habitat disturbance.